Prior to boarding, droids and domesticated creatures must be cleared by customs. Thank you for your cooperation.
Remember it now?
Star Tours is pleased to announce its inaugural flights to the great city of Coruscant. Sign up for a closely guided tour of the Imperial Senate and watch the Guardians of Peace and Justice in action. Then be sure to explore the skyways and byways of the megalopolis that never sleeps, Imperial City. The streets are alive with state-sanctioned excitement at every hour of the day and night.
What is going on down there?
Everything's under control. Situation normal.
What happened?
Everything's perfectly all right now. We're fine. We're all fine right now. Thank you. That's cool. How are you?
A job on that foolish walking into a cantina, but I know.
Gift it is.
Initiate takeoff sequence.
What? Auto takeoff sequence initiated. R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention, all transport hold for security clearance.
Stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
No, I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Here.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them!
It's our R2. There's someone aboard your ship vital to our mission.
The spy? Is this mission sanctioned?
Let's say it is. Anyway, rendezvous at the coordinates I'm transmitting to R2. Good luck, and you know the rest.
The rest sounds rather perilous to me. I don't think we Arthur, are you sure these are the right coordinates? I wasn't programmed for this! Watch out!
Where's your man, Star Tours?
There we go again!
Okay, fire! That's right!
Constantly! Now to do something!
You should come.
Now, how to confirm?
Execute them.
In this instant! Arthur, where are you going?
Alright, we'll take it from here.
Well done! Now let's go!
Steve, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I hope you have enjoyed your flight and watch out!
Hey, that's my ship. I want to explain to them.
Thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you on another flight soon.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.
It's funnier, I didn't even recognize myself. That's so scary. I like it. I had a feeling it was going to be him.